Hi Monies! I have an exciting video for you today. I was able to get my hands on the Kat Von D and Divine palette early, and so this is what it looks like. It comes in this box and it has the little Divine eyes. Woo! And it comes with 8 shades, and it has a cute little mirror in there with the little eyebrows. And those are the shades, and oh my gosh, I'm loving them. So today I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 8 shades. So I used half the palette today to get this look, which is sort of like this silvery gunmetal with a little pop of green on the under eye. I mean, I am going to work, so I can't get too ridiculous. And then I complemented it with a Bite Beauty lipstick. So far I'm loving this palette. I will go ahead and swatch it quick for you. That's the BAPS Hard Magic. I do have a little bit of foundation on my hand, but that shouldn't matter. Baltimore. Ooh, that's gorgeous. That reminds me of a shade in the Saint and Sinner palette. Waters. This is one of the ones I used today. That's Filthy. Pink Flamingos up there at the top. I don't really know how to pronounce this white. I think it's Tamale Trouble. It's just a white matte color. And then the last one is Hairspray, which is like one of my all-time favorite movies. So those are the colors swatched. I really enjoy them. And then to complement, I used the new Metal Matte Mini to do some complementary shades. I mean, it's definitely an accent palette. But I love this palette. I'm loving this so far. I think it's super awesome. I think I'm loving the look. So thanks for watching, and here's the tutorial, or mini tutorial, and mini like first impression. But yeah, here it is. It's right here. It's coming. It's here. Okay, so I zoomed you in. My full face is done except for my lipstick. I'm going to put a little bit of this Sephora lip balm and coconut just while I'm doing my eyes. So I'll get that on there. Loving this stuff. Alright, so like I said, I'm gonna supplement with the Metal Matte Mini palette if I need to. And this is still available on Sephora's website. I checked today. So I feel like let's see, what do I want to do? I mean, this is definitely a supplemental palette. So I'm going to use my favorite shade out of this Metal Matte Mini to just, I prime the lid and I want to set the lid. So I'm going to get a large, I'm going to use one of these like toothbrush type brushes. I'm going to go right into the suede shade right here. Dude, all over the lid. That's why I like these toothbrush type brushes. I feel like, you know, it can get all over the lid pretty quickly. So I have my base shade down. You know, it helps to just smooth everything out and set the primer and serve as a nice base, hence base shade. I think I'm going to go in with this oak shade as a transition, and I'm going to use sort of this fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm so excited to do different looks of this. I mean, it's definitely a cooler toned palette, obviously. So I like this brown shade because even though it's brown, it's pretty dark and a little bit cooler. Not like cooler, but you know. And I'm just blending that right in. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with these two sort of gunmetal shades, and then I'm going to do the green on the bottom. So let's see what happens. I'm going to use another Sonia Kashuk. It's fluffy but short, and I'm going to go in with the darker filthy color, and I'm going to really work it on the edge there. If you hear movement, it's because of my cat, and there's actual natural sunlight, because I usually film in the evening, and now there's actual real sunlight coming in, so that's interesting. Wow, I don't know if you can see, it's like sort of shiny in the pan, but I don't know if I can get close enough for you to see. It's got this flatness, like metal, like how metal is flat yet still like sparkly. It's super cool. So now that I've placed that, I'm going to go back in with my same blending brush and just sort of blend and mix that together. I am on my way to work, so I can't get too crazy. But I was so excited to use it. I got it early, so I was like, wow, let me get this done and up. It'll be like the first time I've ever done that. And I never get anything really early. And I certainly never film and edit in the same day. Like, that's never happened. Alright. Next, I'm going to go in with this silvery color here called Hairspray. And I think I might, try to foil it. So I'm going to use this flat brush from Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to actually like pull the shadow one way, pull the shadow the other way, knock off the excess, which actually isn't much. It's a little bit of a chunky shadow. And then I'm going to grab my Real Colors Stay and Spray setting spray with the little aerosol, and then I'm going to, hi Beanie, she answered, spray my brush, and then let's go ahead and see what happened. Okay, cat. It looks fabulous. I mean, next time I definitely need to use less of this shade. I mean, it really packs a punch. So I don't need to. Usually when I foil shades, I have to like load up my brush, but not with this pepper. Not with this. No, definitely a little goes a long way. That's so pretty. Yay! Next, I think I'm going to go in with this color Favs in the corner. And I'm going to go in actually with a clean fluffy brush and just sort of, you know, blend this in a little bit, because I can be a little heavy-handed with certain things. Just going to mellow the edges out a little bit. Okay, I'm so excited! Okay, chill out. Alright. So next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the dark color Filthy that was already on my brush, and I'm just going to put a little more up in this corner just to deepen the, just tap, 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 just to deepen the corner. Alright, now I'm going to add liner. I'm gonna use my Steel Liner in Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner in Intense Black. In tribute to Divine, I'm gonna do an extra, I mean, I always do a wing, but I'm gonna do it a little longer than usual. If you're wondering why I'm pulling my eye like that, it's just like, as you either get older, if you have any sort of wrinkles on your eyelids, it just helps with wing liner so that you don't like get lost in the fold. Okay, and the key to a good liner? Symmetry. Alright, so we're done with that. Alright, I think the next thing that we're going to do is take this bake off. Alright, so I'm going to put some lashes on quick. Okay, I'm back. I've never had like that much trouble with lashes before, but of course today that I'm in a hurry to get this up, I would. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this bone color, this flat bone color, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line first, and then I'll add in the shimmery green. And I'm doing this like just as a base for something for the sparkly green to stick to. I'm going to try this new Eco Tools brush that I got. And this is an eye and lip blur. So I'm going to go into pink flamingos there. And I like to coat like both sides of my brush. And then I feel like I should foil this. Who knows, like you're seeing it live and in person, whether this is a good idea or a bad idea. I don't see it as a bad idea. So I'm coating this underneath the, like right on my lash line and above. And then I'm going to bring it up under the wing. And so I'm just going to pull my wing up. And I'm just going to run this green. I think that was successful. And I'm going to come in and meet that BAPS color in the inner corner. Wow. I love it! Before I put on my lips, I'm actually going to go in to Thunderstruck. And I'm going to use it as a highlight. And for lips, I think I'm going to do a Bite Beauty, like a nude lip. Let's try this caramel. Oh yeah, that's nice. Because I am going to work, like I can't be too ridiculous. I mean, they think I'm pretty ridiculous with my makeup, but I don't want to be too ridiculous. You know, there's a line. Oh my gosh, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I'm pretty happy with the finished look. So I'm so glad that you stopped by. I'm actually really going to try to edit this and put this up today, which has never happened. So I think it's super exciting. Let me know in the comments what you think about these two palettes, if you want to see more from them. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.